Going out here and seeking and chasing an adventure that exists all around us. We shoot this ongoing film series. It's called Creeker. There's all kinds of fish species that live in these creeks. Sunfish species. There's great bass in these creeks. And we go down here and we chase that. We go down here and we find these fish that in these places that are often overlooked, and and we film it in a way that it inspires others to get out here and do the same thing. The foundation of everything that we do has always been about the love of fishing. Dude, it's crazy, man. We run into people all the time, man. We had this older guy. He just comes pulling his boat up on the bank, and I holler over him, and I was like, hey man, how'd you do out there? He's like, oh, not too bad. And he's like, how'd y'all do? And we're like, oh, we caught a couple, it wasn't too terrible. And he pauses and he looks at me. And he takes a second and he points and he says, you're that bass fishing dude, aren't you? And I was like, yes sir, I am. And he's like, man, you're the reason why I bought this kayak. And it's like,
it was just like that.
It's just like that, man. And it's like, it's like a punch in the gut, it's just like, wow. It's like, to do what I do in the way that we do it, and to have it touch people and affect people the way that it does, that they're emboldened enough to tell me that I've changed their life in some way, shape, or form. I've gotten this person up off the couch and out here in the outdoors, fishing or camping or doing whatever. They're not sitting at home all day long, wasting away. They're out here adventuring. What's up, gang? We made it. Day one of a 3-day adventure. One that we've done in the past. We've been here before. We're out on private water fishing, Premier Lake, Timber Lake in Sulphur Bluff, Texas. The motto for private water fishing is one lake, all day, all yours, totally private, and that's exactly what this is. This lake is just a little over 40 acres, and it's a flooded forest. So the name Timber may give you a little bit of perspective into what we're going to be doing a lot of fishing on today, and that is a lot of blue, which is actually one of my favorite ways to fish. But we got in really late last night, set up camp, and now we're about to get some breakfast going. We're about to get that rolling, get some food in our stomachs, and get out here on the water and go put in some work, because that's really what this is all about. Getting out here, having a really good time, and enjoying our time on the water, and enjoying ourselves. And that's what we're gonna go out here and we're gonna make it happen. So stick with us, stay tuned. Let's get this breakfast going. Let's go hit the water.
You were lying. Yeah. What we got here?
Show you how to make a quick breakfast taco. The best taco in the world, by the way. But they say the most important meal of the day is breakfast. I know they've told us that since we were kids. I don't know how much of that I believe, but I know that I fish a lot better whenever I eat breakfast. So we're out here in the middle of the woods, and we absolutely
chorizo. But I'm gonna let y'all know the kicker for all of this is spicy pork breakfast sausage. So get you a roll of that hot Jimmy Dean. You in that thing. You in that thing. Get a little bit of that cheese. A little bit of that queso. Now right there, it's a breakfast taco. But what breakfast taco? Well, any taco for that matter. It's a taco without a dab of that good old Cholula. Hit it with that Cholula. It's only right. Bam! Pow! Yeah, breakfast taco. Just like that. Let's get it, boy. That's the one right there. Boom! Right there. Look at that. That thing is heavy. That sounds so bad. Not right now.
I didn't even switch my view.
We got on a little bit, but not overly crazy. Right in the top of the lip. Right where you want it to be. I literally watched them come up. They're not literally just engulfed it right off the top. Gave it a couple seconds. Older. Another squeaker. Not that 10-pounder we're out here looking for, but it's a fish nonetheless.
Give me your face! Yes! Oh my God, dude. Yes.
Let's freaking go, bro. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, baby. Yeah. Man, evening topwater bites, baby. Crush that walking bait, man. Absolutely crush that joint. I'm gonna be real. I haven't had a topwater bite in a really, really long time. With that right there, man. Golly. That's so awesome. Jeez. Got another one, son. Oh, bro, this is a giant. This is a freaking giant. This is a giant, bro. Oh my God, this is a giant. This is a giant, bro. This is a giant. Come here. Get on the boat! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God, son! Oh my God! That's a freaking 6-pounder, dude. Oh my God! Golly, boy.
That's sweet.
Oh. Oh. I got a hook in my leg.
Fast barb?
Ah. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ah. Ah. Oh my goodness. Ah. 4 years I've been fishing and I've never gotten a hook until today. And of course, I have pants on, so the hook is through the pants. It's also through my leg. Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. I tell you what.
Am I doing the pulling?
I'll do the
You
pulling.
can do it yourself.
I'm gonna do it myself.
Yeah. Sorry, man, that sucks.
Good fish, though.
You can't go back to the shore to do it.
I'm gonna do it right here in the middle of the lake.
Yeah.
Drop 'em. Just hook everything.
Mm-hmm.
Right there's how you get the trouble out of you. And it did minimal damage to my pants. And it did not hurt at all. Now, we get back to fishing. No, I didn't catch them all from over here. Got to be 3 more of them. Squeaker. He for the strangle. Just a little guy. We'll make a taco out of you. Don't worry about it, kid. No. I'm not cranking that back. Tired of losing. Yeah, let's move over to that other pocket, see if some fish pulled up in there.
Buzzer beater.
Another 18 and a half, so that's 2 fish on the board. No limit, but oh yeah. Look at that. Ready? You ready?
Yep.
2 fish. That's good enough.
There we go. Oh. Ah, got you in the eye, my boy. Bro, Charlie, look at the size of this bluegill that just ate my DT6. Dude. Bro. Oh my God. Matt, this bluegill.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Hey. Charlie's gonna be jealous.
I'm telling you, dude. Caught it on a freaking crankbait. Bro, I just need one fish. Golly, I just need one. Finally hooked up to a good one too. Oh dude, that's a giant. That's a great fish right there. That's the one we were waiting on. That's the one we were waiting on right. Oh my goodness, boy. That's the one we were looking for. Oh, let's go. Talk about a freaking grind, man. Unbelievable. Bro, you talk about putting in some serious work right there. That right there is 2 hours of straight grinding. Man, we haven't had a fish bite in literally 2 hours, dude. Good Lord. But the kicker fish is the one we wanted. That right there is absolutely the fish that we wanted to get.
doing, my bad?
I was trying to cheers your taco, my guy.
Oh, that was
I
gonna
know,
look so
it's
good.
tough, man.
Yeah, buddy.
I mean, we are.
About time you brushed your teeth.
Everything else is pretty much ready to go. Three.
Get it, Cuda. That's right, man. What's that called, the Gaylord?
Well, gang, that is a wrap. One epic weekend, 3 days of fishing hard, chasing an awesome adventure that you can't get anywhere else but private water fishing. Absolutely, you can get that other places besides private water fishing. But shout out to private water fishing for letting us come out here and hang out for 3 days and have a good time. Like, that's what it's made for. So private water fishing's motto is one lake, all day, all yours, totally private, and that's all it is. So hit that link in the description, check them out, and we'll catch up with you guys on the next one. So as always, if you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments, leave your boy some feedback, and as always, check back in with your boy, that bastard dude, for the next video. Peace.